Tired of struggling with broken pull cords or uncomfortable handles? In this video, we're reviewing the Good Vibrations Start Me Up and Get a Grip handles. Watch as we install them on a lawnmower and a leaf blower, and learn how these products can save you from the frustration of snapped ropes and tough starts. This video dives into a hands-on review of Good Vibrations pull cord handles. Let's get started. Good Vibrations offers two models to upgrade your pull start experience. The Start Me Up is a premium handle featuring rubber padding for better grip and comfort. The Get a Grip is a practical, budget-friendly handle made of durable plastic. Both handles include an 88-inch DuraTough rope, designed for compatibility with almost any pull start engine and built to last longer than standard ropes. Here's how to install these handles on a lawnmower. 1. After matching the DuraTough rope to your old rope and cutting it to size, remove the old handle and rope carefully, ensuring the rope doesn't retract into the recoil assembly. 2. For the Start Me Up, tie a secure knot, slide the rope through the side slit, and pull it through the handle. 3. For the Get a Grip, thread the rope through the bottom of the handle, tie a secure knot, and pull it through. Once installed, the full hand grip significantly improves comfort and ease of use. Broken pull cords are a common issue, as seen here on this leaf blower. The DuraTough rope included with Good Vibrations handles is designed to prevent this. To install the Get a Grip handle on the leaf blower, 1. Carefully access the recoil assembly and remove the broken rope, ensuring it doesn't snap back. 2. Thread the new DuraTough rope through the handle and tie a knot. Measure and cut the DuraTough rope to the appropriate length. 3. Reattach the rope to the recoil assembly and secure the handle. Even on smaller equipment like this leaf blower, the Get a Grip handle offers a comfortable and reliable pull start experience, while the DuraTough rope ensures long-term durability. For anyone tired of struggling with pull cords or dealing with frequent breaks, the Good Vibrations handles are a great solution. The Start Me Up is ideal for those prioritizing comfort, while the Get a Grip is a solid choice for budget-conscious users. Upgrade your pull start experience today. Check the description for links to these handles, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Here's to easier starts and durable upgrades. See you next time.